that was a demand of the sponsor कि यार टाई नहीं पहनना है, जो स्पॉन्सर बोले वैसे करना पड़ेगा ना मुझे. हेलो हेमंत जी, नमस्ते. नमस्ते समीर जी, नमस्ते. अर्पित, अरे अर्पित हाय. Gani is always there. Pratik, yes. Harish sir, good evening sir. I think I missed some colleagues, sorry. Hiten ji, namaste sir. Hiten ji is the expert. Oh, he should be taking this class. Pata nahi yaar abhi. Right, chalo. We are going to have fun today. Thanks to Harish sir. He has got me the head of, ex-head of ICICI Securities. Good evening Pratik. Good evening Saurabh. Hi bache, hi. Good evening to you. So we'll start in 2 minutes. Right, we'll really start. I think there's just 2 more minutes. Shanti ma'am, the gentleman has joined. Mujib ji?
No, not yet, sir. Yeah, he came.
He's there. He's right on time, ma'am.
Yeah,
He's
yes,
a marathoner. Everything time mein hota hai.
Yes, he just
There
joined.
he is.
Yes. Hi, I'm there. Hi, good evening.
Exactly what time mein aa gaya. I love you, sir. So we start today's class right on time. Sir is there and everybody is there. This entire thing has been arranged by Harish sir. ये बाद में बताऊंगा. एक अच्छा जोक बताता हूँ तुम लोग को. ये मेरा first हिंदी इंटरव्यू चल गया and I never realized my Hindi is so good. तो ये सब स्लाइड्स अभी बनाया है. कोई कॉल कर रहा है. GFMB प्रसाद. बोलना सर क्लास में है. कौन है पता नहीं. बच्चा जो भी है बोल दो. I think some of you all have realized I'm unemployed. So you're calling me also, which is good. लेकिन क्या करूँ? बोल दिया ना? कट कर दिया. ठीक है. चलो let's start.
The spelling mistake here again.
Inda madam, this is bad, no ma'am. So I will correct it straight away. My mistake. So done. Now we start. Chalo. Pehla slide डाला था ना. Chalo. Okay, we start friends on a serious note. Thank you, Shanti ma'am. Thank you, everybody. Today I'm not wearing a tie because my sponsor said don't wear a tie. Right, sir? You feel very, very uncomfortable. So sponsor is taking care of me. And yes, some of you all have doubts. What do I wear below the coat? You could see I'm wearing a pant. Okay. So some of you all have this doubt also कि मैं लुंगी पहन के बैठता है क्या करे मुझे भी सब right ये लोग का बच्चों का ना बहुत प्यार है मेरे पे. Okay. तो चलो let's start. Thank you, Dr. Shrikant, my guru, Dr. Parimal Marchand. अच्छा लगता है इनका नाम लेते ही खुश होता हूँ. Super leaders, all of you all, yeah, rock. और Telegram में तो बस आपने, you've really created havoc. And Shri Krishna Bhai sir, Rohit Bete, I changed this name because one of my students, his name is Krishna, and we are in so much of touch that घर पे confusion हो रहा था. Krishna, कौन सा Krishna के बारे में बात कर रहा है? Rohit Bete, and all these guys, we have uploaded yesterday's video also, loans के ऊपर. It's gone. Hey, Rahul ji, Sandeep ji, Shanti ma'am, right? Of course, my wife, वो बोलना पड़ता है. Right, CA Abhay and Mujib ji. There is, sir, बराबर time में आपने ये बंद किया sir. There is my colleague. I'm meeting him for the first time face to face. Can you believe it? We have heard about each other so many times, and I got in touch with him thanks to CA Harish. I'll introduce sir a bit later. Great guy. मजा आया उनसे बात करने में. Right. Today we're going to have a good discussion about private equity and venture capitalists. थोड़ा track change करते हैं आज. So अभी तक बहुत economic बात किया. भास्कर सर आए, कोई होटल से मस्त हुआ हो, रोहन जी आए, फिर थोड़ा आपको अच्छा हो. आज ट्रैक चेंज करके कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस की दुनिया में लेके चलते हैं आपको. फ्रॉम फैमिली मैनेज बिजनेस टू कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस. तो थोड़ा अलग से दुनिया देखते हैं हम लोग. Yes, Gani, I will be very quiet. I will not name any politician. Don't worry. And I start by saluting an essential worker. So we all enjoyed our lockdown with our families. We have been okay. This is Captain Rajesh Nambiar ji, a dear colleague. I interacted with him in a finance class. I love him. He had to work double during the lockdown times. Okay, so I start by saluting these essential workers. Can you give me some more names, please? Some nurses, somebody who has been working, unlike us who have been sitting at home. So, sir, he's a marine pilot and that's his job description. God bless him. It's a very simple thing. Get the ship to the shore. But उसके लिए कितना तकलीफ है आप देख लो. And of course, you have to be a qualified ship captain previously. So it's an amazing job. He has no rest. He has to be on duty all the time. He's there in the participant. I requested him to come with his family. So family के सामने acknowledge करना है. And he said, why do you do it? I said, I do it because I like it. Simple. India should salute businessmen. India should salute essential workers. So he has worked his way. We salute him, right? We at Menon Mantra salute you, sir. Simple, right? For all the good job that we've been doing for the country and for all of us. Yes, thank you, Viral. I start with my appeal. So now if you can't disconnect, इसमें एक ही problem है बेटे. Some of you are log in late also. तो अभी क्या हमें बीच में डालना पड़ेगा. अभी YouTube में बीच में ad डालते हैं वैसे ही डालना पड़ेगा लगता है. So please donate. Some people have not eaten. I have been doing this for two and a half months now because I want you all to contribute to the hunger movement. Most of you have done it. Thank you very much. Those who have not done it, consider. My sponsors, love you all. First sponsor, second sponsor, इनके बारे में बात करूँगा. Very soon I'll talk about them, right? Then we have to talk about Diya Prasad also. Aayega. We talked about them. Amazing lady entrepreneur. God bless her. Right? God really bless her. मजा आ गया कल. Yes, today's sponsor. तो आज मैं tie नहीं डाल रहा है thanks to the Pai brothers. तो बोला tie डालो मत sir. You are looking uncomfortable. It's like, अच्छा है. Very good. So Speedo is into this, right? Amazing. They are sponsored. Thank you very much, the Pai brothers. I call it a wonderful partnership. आगे आएगा. They are into communications, networking, security, automation. मुझे जी मेरा एक ही request है. I invite them to sponsor the collective hunger movement. So no money comes to me. It goes to them directly, and then I display here. Then in my own golden voice, I thank them, okay, for their sponsorship. ये idea निकाला है. Again, a businessman gave me this idea, so I loved that idea. And yes, today Speedo has got very good solutions. They are into communication, networking, security, automation. I've met the brothers. They are our SPJ students. Wonderful guys. And today they have 3 years more strategy to fight COVID. Our time bomb professor, Samir sir's word, 3 years strategy. He's going to come on this platform very soon. Right? And the Pai brothers are doing extremely well. This is their lovely family. So I'm not only going to respect the product, I'm going to respect the family because this country has to respect entrepreneurs. It's a simple thing. God bless them. It is Vilas Pai sir, right? Veena Pai ji, Nagendra ji, these are my kids. God bless them. Nirisha Pai, Rahul is our kid, right? And Riya Pai. You can read about them, please. That I've just taken it and just posted it here. This is that lovely family. God bless them. Thank you for sponsoring for Collective Hunger. They do a lot for their employees. So you'll ask me, why am I showing this? Because I want you to do it for the employees. Simple. So why am I showing this? Not because I want to praise the Pai brothers alone. I want you all to do this for your employees. They'll also feel good. Simple answer, right? And lovely. I think this one of the best things about this group is their business partners. And I find that very amazing. So their business partners are actually Parsi brothers. And this is India, national integration. Pai plus Parsi. How does it go? Amazing. And now the second generation are working together. Normally what happens is, okay, maybe the first 2 generations will get along, but moment comes to the second generation, brothers can't get along together. Either though they are also working together. Amazing group. Amazing group. This shows that, business is all about sticking together. Thank you, Speedo, for sponsoring the Collective Hunger Movement. God bless you all. Any requirements, please talk to them directly. You know their products now. Yes, today's topic, private equity and venture capitalists. That's my colleague there, right there. We'll talk about this. But before we talk about this, I see a lot of you all saying, "Arey sir, Sachin Bansal has made 13,000 crores. Yes, he has. Sir, this guy has made so much of money. Wow. Agreed now, bete. But you can't just cross the sea barely by standing and looking about it. I'd say, yeah, ICICI Securities, Mujib ji is there. He'll say, yeah, do you have a business model where they can invest? Is the question. So why find fault with an IITN who is doing well? You are all family managed businesses and I love you all for that. But that if you want to play the valuation game, the framework is different. फिर tax चोरी नहीं कर सकते आप. वो framework ही बदल जाता है. Sorry to use this word and I'm going on record. फिर चिंदी चोर नहीं बन सकते आप. तो आपको मजा नहीं आएगा. Valuation आपका balance sheet में numbers नहीं रहेगा. तो कहाँ से अभी आपको funding देंगे आप? Simple logic है. So very important. I'm sorry I'm hurting you all, but today I changed track. कि बहुत लाड हो गया आपका. अभी थोड़ा सोचो, चिंतन करो अभी. चिंतन करो क्या हो रहा है? Can we get there? And I know there are some students here. You can play the valuation game. See, valuation game is not a dirty word. It's also about adding value. I've got a special guest today. who always says that he attends my class, but when I ask him questions, he says, "वो class भूल गया." And 4 different sessions, 4 different questions I've asked him, but he always says, "एक ही session में attend नहीं किया." So I'm still wondering, ये क्या हो रहा है? Excuse me, how entrepreneurs have overtaken family managed businesses? Because they have a different mindset. So you have to cultivate that mindset. I know there are many parents sitting with their juniors here, and that's the idea of getting this platform. Some of you all do not even have any idea about equity as a source of financing. You just go to the Telegram men and mantras. Look at it. Everybody is talking about COVID emergency loans. अब भी bet लगाते हैं. कोई एक जन ने पूछा, sir, please give us a connect to private equity or venture capitalists. तो मैंने track change किया. Change of mindset. Excuse me, you can evade tax. I am nobody to say this. अरे सर MSME का benefits है ना. अरे बच्चे 3 कंपनी बनाना, MSME का benefit मिल जाएगा. Correct answer. But then you can't play the valuation game. And please note, equity is not cheap. Mujib ji's wonderful statement. When I spoke to him, he said, please tell them equity is not cheap. It's about return expectations. When we invest money, must bola, inka ekdam short rehta hai, lekin he hits it very well. He said, please tell your students equity is not cheap. तो 12% 13% का खेल नहीं है, बड़ा खेल है हमारा. खेल is not a bad language. Transparency, control freaks. I'm sorry about this slide, right? Some of you all are control freaks, which is completely fine. But then you don't need to give up control here. What is it that you want to do? Do you want to be a 100% owner of a 10 crore company? Or do you want to be, as Mukesh Bhai has shown, we'll do a session. I'll try and get somebody from Jio also. And I'll try and call Mujib ji. I'm already saying it publicly because now he can't back out. Okay. Now he knows that how bad I am. But take it. Transparency. Why are you scared of transparency, Krishna? All slides. Excuse me. If you don't show numbers, you will not get valuation. Simple answer. So today's 1 hour, have a mindset. Pros and cons. Yeah, there are some advantages, there will be some disadvantages. And yes, you may have to hire some professionals. The last time, Mujib ji, I didn't tell you this. In a company, when they interviewed somebody like you, sir, respected people like you, interviewed somebody for the CFO's position, they came back telling me that he's overweight. And I'm like, boss, XYZ is overweight. How does it matter? We never asked this question in family managed business. So I asked the other gentleman, does it matter? He said, of course it matters. Then I realized I will never qualify to be a CFO in any of this professional organization because it's a fact. They look at that. They don't let all of you all travel together. And they are right. And that's a clause in their agreement that not all promoters can travel together. And they are correct about that. Before I give it to my colleague, Mujib ji, I want to just crack a small joke as always. Hiring professionals. If you don't see, there is a saying. The saying is, and I love my son for giving me this lovely video. Right? Thoda masti kar raha hu. They say that, you know, all of you are good and your employees are the best. Usme doubt hi nahi hai. Professional need not be an MBA. No way. Professional is somebody who has the professional interests of the organization at mind. They can be qualified, non-qualified. Oh, doesn't matter. Can be relative, non-relative. Doesn't matter. Has the professional interests of the company at mind. Usme discussion hi nahi hai. I'm not criticizing any employee. But the fact is, if you don't pay enough, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, if you pay peanuts, you get monkeys. तो ये बहुत पुराना रामायण का सीरियल चल रहा था. And I watched this when I was a kid. अभी वापस आया तो मेरा बच्चा बहुत इसमें हुआ. इसमें ये सोशल मीडिया ने एक वंडरफुल कैप्चर किया है. और अभी 87 का सीरियल का आज मुझे पता चला इसमें क्या है. जोक सुनिए. And then I give it to my colleague. He's ready. मजा आएगा थोड़ा. Excuse me. The sound is not there. Watch the guy behind this gentleman. You know, gentleman नहीं है, राक्षस है, but जो भी है, okay? देख लो अभी आप. Excuse me, that guy was doing his job. We never realized it. But after 20 years, we realized, boss, maybe we're not paying him enough. वो डांडिया खेल रहा था इसके पीछे, right? My guest speaker. Before that, one very important differentiation. This slide captures that. Venture capitalist is for new firms. सीड कैपिटल। ये अभय ने क्या स्लाइड बना के दिया है यार। प्राइवेट इक्विटी इज ग्रोथ कैपिटल। सो बिका जी अपना दीपक है ना बच्चा, वो ग्रोथ कैपिटल लिया है। सुमित काबरा, आर काबल ग्रोथ कैपिटल लिया है। मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल may qualify for seed capital also. Most FMBs will be here. You are here, growth capital chahiye, FMBs. Today there has to be a change in mindset, please. Okay. So this is the difference. बस बड़ा बड़ा है, मैं डाल रहा हूँ, आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए। मेरे सिंपल है यार। VC invest in new companies, private equity invest in existing companies. Anil Menon simplifies it. VC gives you risk capital, private equity gives you growth capital. Simple. ये इतना याद रखना। So existing company grow करना है, go to a private equity. नया idea है, go to a VC. India has both stories, but exactly what is the story, the expert will tell me. And who is the expert? Thank you, Harish sir, for this lovely introduction. I can only thank you enough. My colleague is, I don't know why he didn't write Mr. Mujib, but it's okay. Right, Mujib ji is here. 25 years of experience in private equity, project finance, 25 years. 11 years in ICICI Bank. भाई इससे ज्यादा कोई बेटर में ला नहीं सकता है। 4 years as managing directors of a hedge fund. Hedge fund is a rich man's mutual fund. And I'll tell you something why I liked him. When I was talking, he was a high flyer. And these are business class guys. Business class guys. And he lost his job in 2010. So when I was talking to him, he said something which was amazing. And then our connection stuck. He said 2010, suddenly this fund wound up in India. He was a high flyer. High flyer means managing director, bache. Managing director. He lost his job because they wound up. And Mujib ji, for the 1 month, he realized, "Arey, kya ho gaya?" Then he tells me that is the best thing that happened to me, because today he is a corporate trainer. He earns decently and his feedback is remarkable. Wherever I've gone after him, they ask me for him. तो आप समझ सकते हैं, मेरा क्लास चलो तो बीच में आके पूछ के आते हैं, मुजीब जी कभी आएगा ना। आई एम लाइक, बॉस ये तो बहुत खतरनाक इंसल्ट है यार कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनर का। पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग, लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रनिंग, साइकिलिंग, ट्रैकिंग, हेल्थ फ्रीक, मतलब बैलेंस्ड वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस। माय कलीग यूज्ड टू स्पीक अबाउट हिम, किशोर नायक, इवन बिफोर आई न्यू हिम, कि ऐसा एक बंदा है। देन मैंने हरीश जी भी उनसे बात किया। हरीश जी तो आप पहचानते हैं, ऑल ऑफ यू नो हिम, द गुरु ऑफ फाइनेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स। मैं उनसे कनेक्ट लेके पहुंच गया, मजा आ गया। अभी एक और एक दोस्त हो गया। आई हैंडेड ओवर द एंटायर थिंग टू an absolute different mindset is going to happen today. You take it or leave it, that's your choice. We have done our job. I'm stopping the sharing. Mujib, thank you very much for coming and encouraging us. There is one participant from US who comes regularly. He has also been saying, sir, please change the mindset. I stop this here and hand it over to you, sir. Please, all over.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. That was what can I say? I was wondering kiska introduction ho raha hai. So I myself am very inquisitive to listen to this person. So thanks a lot for a very benevolent introduction there, and a very good evening, everybody. And okay, let me also share my screen and then we'll get started. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about private equity. So my screen is visible, right? Yeah. And I did have the good fortune of working in a hedge fund. Well, hedge fund is sort of a complicated name for alternative investments. So we used to make private equity kind of investments in India. And it was a good time. So the middle 2000s to the late 2000s, where, you know, the Indian market was booming and there was a lot of money chasing local clients. So it was a great experience to try and see how this money comes in, what is the experience they've had. And before that, I also had the good fortune of working in ICICI Bank. So got to see the debt side, the equity side, and not everything turned out very well. So I will tell you things which work out, things which don't work out. This is not something like everybody can jump into it. So everything has its pros and cons, right? So I'll just take you through that. So of course, Anil ji gave an explanation in terms of what is the difference between venture capital and private equity. So one thing is, all of this is, I would call, risk capital. Risk capital ka matlab kya hota hai? Any business where we perceive the risk of the business model, the underlying business model is quite high, and I will get into a little more detailing there. Almost all of this is, I would say, classified as private equity. Now it starts right from what we call angel investing. So for example, there is something called Mumbai Angels. And today itself, I got a mail from them. They have made an investment in some medical related entity. They have invested a few lakhs. These are individual investments. तो जब भी कोई individual नया business शुरू करता है, so like suppose if I were to start a new business, सबसे पहले तो of course you have to put your own money. You know, there is this concept of skin in the game. जब तक आप आपका खुद का पैसा नहीं लगाओगे, तब तक you cannot convince the outside world कि मैंने जी जान लगा दिया इस business में. So you first put in your money. After that, you go to some individual professional. So that is the stage which is the angel investing or the seed stage. Generally, the money here is typically less than 1 crore, I would say.
Mujib ji?
Yeah.
So class, I am going on typing what sir is saying in the chat. Sir, please continue.
Yeah. And then as the business grows a little bit, so let's say you already have got your first round of funding, second round of funding, venture capital comes in at a stage where the business model has some potential, but still not proven. So to give you an example here, while I was, so after I left my job, I was also a little bit in the investment advisory space. So there was this gentleman who had this concept of, hamara vertebral column hota hai. So there is a cervical vertebra, and they had designed a prototype whereby with a very minimal invasive surgery, aapko prototype andar dal do, so the person's life changes. And then he wanted to replicate that model across hospitals across the world. So these kind of things all typically come in that angel venture capital kind of a thing. Most of the technology related projects also typically come in the venture capital space. Now, once your business model is established, now what do I mean by this? Which means you have initiated, let's say, a new product, a new service, customer ko acha lag raha hai. Ab aapko usko ramp up karna hai. So to again give you some example here, now the examples I'm giving need not only be success stories, but I'm just trying to set the context there. There was a Bangalore-based client and he had started something called Ammi's Biryani. So biryani to bahut logon ko kya, I mean काफी लोगों को अच्छी लगती है. So his idea was कि मैंने अभी Bangalore में 2-3 centers शुरू किया है. Now I will start it across the city. I have a standardized recipe. Then I will start it across maybe multiple cities. So this is where you are slightly moving from venture capital towards growth. So growth is a point where your business model is established. आपका थोड़ा बहुत पैसा बनना शुरू हो गया है और अभी आपको ramp up करना है. So that is where this growth capital comes in. और last वाली दो categories, I mean, they are a little complex. Buyouts, distressed, and also, of course, there is also, I mean, like Anil sir said, I used to be part of a hedge fund. और हम लोग क्या करते थे, जो businesses अभी नीचे जा रहे हैं, उसको खरीदने का in the hope that आगे चल के ऊपर आएगा. Now you must be wondering ये कैसे होता है. In fact, the term used there is vulture financing. I mean, what a term that is. So to give an example, what we did there was 9/11. We all know, right? 9/11 was a devastating event that happened, and we as a hedge fund took a bet कि 9/11 के बाद at least 2 साल तक airline industry will be in the doldrums. हमने डेल्टा से 54 एयरक्राफ्ट खरीदा. वो एयरक्राफ्ट को हमने डेजर्ट में पार्क किया. Why in the desert? Because you can't even afford to pay the fees that is required to be paid to the airport authorities. So you park them in some deserts. And then after about 1.5 to 2 years, you refurbished them and then brought them back into the business and then you made money out of it. This is a very big game. So of course, there are a lot of players who do that. So I'm just trying to give you a perspective कि ये सब कुछ होता है. All of this technically is private equity. Of course, these minor differences are there. Now to just give you an idea about India में कौन-कौन है, who is really there for financing. So the oldest private equity players in India are the ones who are related to large financial institutions. So ICICI Bank हो गया, फिर HDFC हो गया. They all have had their own private equity arms. So the names that I've listed down there, they all have private equity arms. Focus सबका अलग-अलग है, but they are there. Then there are these foreign players who also are very active in India. So for example, KKR. KKR is one, it does that distress financing. जो भी company थोड़ा trouble में, they will come in and finance them and then turn them around and those kind of things. Then there are a lot of these individuals who have left these institutional backed private equity funds और खुद का fund शुरू किया है. So Multiples is started by Renuka Ramnath of ICICI Venture. Everstone is started by ex-Goldman guys. So there are enough players there. And depending on what kind of industry you are in, at what stage you are in, आपका क्या business plan है, there is enough that is available. That's the point I want to highlight here. Now, the most important thing here is people should understand what does the private equity guy look for and what does the promoter look for. This is very important because अगर ये समझ में नहीं आया, So this entire game can backfire. And this is very important to understand. So to put it very simply, see, private equity brings you capital, it brings you money, right? Now, if as a business, I need money, of course, there are different options, right? So like Anil sir said, the cheapest source is to take debt. But that doesn't mean that you should always take debt. In fact, I say that debt is like a double-edged sword. वो एक तलवार है जिसकी धार दोनों साइड से चलती है. So अगर आपका बिजनेस अच्छा चलने लग गया तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन आपका बिजनेस अच्छा नहीं चलेगा फिर भी आपको इंटरेस्ट प्रिंसिपल वापस देना है. So debt can kill you. And if you see over the last 2-3 years, the high level of NPAs and the issues that is there with a lot of debt that Indian corporates have taken, this is where the loan story has backfired. So be careful when you take loans. But having said that, loans are always the cheapest source of financing. That is what one needs to keep in mind. So bank loans, अगर bank loan नहीं देता है तो NBFC देता है. NBFC of course charges slightly higher, and they charge higher because they perceive that the risk is higher. And if none of these things are available, then of course there is private financing. Private financing, I mean the informal financing, which is also quite prevalent, but of course extremely expensive. And then there is private equity. Now, you see, as you go from bank loans towards private equity, the nature of money changes. And what is the meaning of this? So I've used the word risk sharing. Risk sharing का क्या मतलब है? If you believe कि आपका business model, there is tremendous potential for growth, लेकिन perceived risk बहुत कम है, you should go in for debt. But if you believe that the perceived risk is quite high and you want to share that risk with somebody else, then you should go in for private equity. So this is something you should always bear in mind. Private equity doesn't mean कि आपको सस्ता पैसा मिल रहा है. Equity is always expensive, और private equity वाला आपको जो भी पैसा देगा, आपसे इतना कुछ लेगा in return. So always bear this in mind. Valuation is only incidental. That your company grows big is only incidental. So the first thing is does my business have potential? And to again give you examples. See, the traditional brick and mortar business jo tha, so I would say auto ancillaries, manufacturing, these businesses have growth, but scalability mein hamesha there is a restriction. I mean, you just can't scale the business to make it global the way you can do in a technology business. And the trend over the last a decade or so has been more towards the aggregator model. अब aggregator model का क्या मतलब होता है? तो मैंने एक Uber का, let's take an example of Uber. I have to create a technology backend, and once that is proven, I can just replicate that across the world. Netflix, you create content, and then there is endless amount of growth. So these are businesses which are highly scalable. Generally, technology kind of businesses tend to be scalable. Internet-related businesses are scalable. Traditional manufacturing may not. So this is something one needs to bear in mind. So again, coming back here, consider private equity only if you perceive that there is tremendous growth potential in your business and you don't want to keep all the risk with you. When you share the risk, please bear this in mind. You are also sharing the upside. And I must tell you an interesting story here. We all know Google, what it is today, right? So Google is today worth almost about, I think 750 or $800 billion. So $1 billion is 7,500 crores. So you can imagine the kind of value that we're talking about. So Google was started by two, Sergey Brin and Larry Page. They were students. उन्होंने उनके dormitory में, Stanford के dormitory में, they had this idea, they started this business. जो पहला उन्होंने fundraise किया था, so they needed only $500,000. You must be wondering, $500,000 for Google kind of people, that's such a small amount. So one of their earliest investors was a person called Ram Shriram. He is a very respected and a reputed angel investor based out of Silicon Valley. So इसने पूरा उनका business model समझा and he liked these guys. So you should also understand this business model अच्छा होगा, लेकिन business चलाने वाला भी मेरे को अच्छा लगना चाहिए. That is very important. In fact, I would say in my banking career and my private equity career, the most important thing is the promoter. अगर आपको एक sixth sense भी लगता है कि ये promoter नहीं कर पाएगा, या अगर आपको gut feel लगता है कि ये promoter कर पाएगा, then I'm willing to take a bet on the business, but I will never take a bet on the promoter. So keep this in mind. So, okay, so coming back to the story. So Ram Shriram, he was approached by these two guys, the Google founders, and the money that they needed was only $100,000, $1 lakh. $1 lakh is what, 75 lakh rupees. So this was very small amount for him, and he just took out his checkbook and he said, okay, ठीक है, क्या नाम है कंपनी का? तो इन्होंने कंपनी तो बनाई नहीं थी, but they had in mind कि हमारा search engine इतने सारे searches करता है, तो we will have a name which is a very big number. So Google is a number which is 1 followed by 100 zeros. तो उन्होंने उसको बोला गूगल, तो उसने इमीडिएटली चेक लिख के दिया, बट उसने लिखा गूगल। तो उन्होंने कंपनी वैसे बनाई और वो $1 लाख लगा के ही बिकेम अ बिलियनर। So what I'm trying to tell you is this guy liked the business model, he liked the people, he backed them, and therefore that story became such a big story. So the promoters had to share a part of their company. So this is something you need to bear in mind. Private equity is all about risk sharing, very important. Second, like I said, only if your business model has high growth should you really consider private equity. So high growth, एक breakthrough business model है कि ये आप replicate करोगे तो पूरा I mean you're going to change the way things work. Yeah, so these kind of business models are the ones which private equity guys like. So ये सब तो ठीक है. Okay, you have a business model like this, you want private equity and you're willing to do risk sharing. Does it come with some caveats? Of course it does. Now these private equity guys are not like normal equity investors कि भाई उन्होंने equity खरीद लिया जैसे stocks पे हम खरीदते हैं and then you're just looking at the stock going up or down. They will have a very active say in how your business is conducted. And Anil sir mentioned this earlier, corporate governance is something that they really look for. And when I say corporate governance, there are two things here. One is integrity and second is doing things the right way. So I remember when we had made our investments, so our investments were primarily into real estate and distressed debt. तो हमने family businesses नहीं invest किया था. So of course we went through the understanding the promoter, understanding his mindset, his vision. Do you really like him? Do you like his team? All those kind of things we did. Then we really tried to understand ये लोग business करते कैसे हैं. So board meeting कैसे होती है, secretarial record कैसे रखा हुआ है, and I must tell you these things used to be in a mess. And then we would insist that before we even come in, aap isko sab, you will have to set all these things in order. And in a way, this was like, it helped them in the long run because now everything was very formalized. So this is a mindset change that Anil sir was talking about. Ki your numbers have to reflect the true picture, your way of conducting business in terms of your secretarial practices, how do you conduct board meetings, how are decisions taken, all these things have to be set right. So this is a very big thing and a lot of Indian promoters are a little averse to this. So this is, I would say, you have to understand that this is a cost of getting private equity. So that is one. And of course, they will invariably have a very strong board representation. Even if they take a minority stake, they will be on your board and they will have control of the board. And again, I'll tell you a story here. How things can really turn around. So you all know that Steve Jobs started Apple, right? Way back in the middle 1970s. So 1984 was when their Macintosh hit the market and that did very well. 1985 May, the business had grown and they had got independent directors to come onto the board. And in fact, the CEO was actually the ex-CEO of Pepsi. Now, can you imagine a situation? Steve Jobs is sitting on the board and there are external directors and the CEO of his own company. Business strategy jab discuss ho raha tha, nobody agreed with Steve Jobs' strategy. Everybody agreed with the CEO strategy. And Steve Jobs had to leave his own company in 1985 at the age of 29. Now, this is very startling, right? मैंने business शुरू किया, मैं उसको यहाँ तक लेके आया और अब ये board बोलता है कि तुम जो बोल रहे हो सही नहीं है. So these are the pitfalls. So beware that when you are getting a private equity investor, they will ask for board representation and they tend to want control over your strategy, getting key people appointed, CEO, CFO, all those kind of things. But having said this, a lot of private equity funds also bring value to the table. And again, to give an example, मैंने पहले नाम दिखाया Blackstone. So in fact, just hold on, my battery is running a little low. Yeah, so Blackstone is a private equity investor. They're a global investor. So what they do is when they invest in a company, they also get you business with their connections through their investee companies globally. So what do I mean by this? So there was a company which was into back office operations. So Intellinet was the company. HDFC और Barclays ने मिलकर शुरू किया था. बहुत slow pace पे काम चल रहा था. And the management of Intellinet thought कि बॉस हम लोग बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, but ये HDFC और Barclays हमें कुछ करने नहीं देता है. So Blackstone came in, they purchased the stake of HDFC and Barclays और management को बोला अभी आपका जो भी strategy है आप करो. And Blackstone ने उनका global customers को लाके business दिया इधर Intellinet को. And within a very short period of time, the business just grew. So what I'm trying to tell you is international best practices, improving your supply chain, getting international customers, this kind of evaluation will also happen. But all these things need to be very clearly discussed upfront. Ki what will people bring to the table? Generally, I have seen, in fact, a lot of relationships turns are simply because on both the sides, the Indian promoter thinks कि मुझे valuation मिलेगा, मुझे पैसा मिलेगा, so they are in a hurry. The private equity guy also, they have underestimated how things work in India. So of course, I mean, my experience always was corporate governance या जो भी है, but I need to have a rapport with the promoter. I need to trust the promoter and I need to give him a free way to do things, but of course within the overall gambit. आप उसका हर decision को शक करते रहोगे तो फिर वो होगा नहीं. So a lot of Indian PE funds also, they got into trouble because they did not understand this dynamic very well, and very soon it became a conflict. So you need to, this is like a marriage, and it is a private equity is typically a 7 to 8 year kind of an investment. So you cannot get private equity into your business unless you understand the key person who's there in the private equity fund. And unlike banks, see, banks mein kya hota hai, people keep changing. Maybe even the MD of a bank can change, right? But private equity fund mein, the partners have also put in their own money in the fund itself. So unka khud ka paisa laga hai. So it is very rare that partners will change unless there is a problem. So what you should always ensure is that you have understood the philosophy of the private equity fund. जो भी business model आपने agree किया है, which is achievable, attainable, and of course, a lot of things can go wrong. So then you should be able to convince the private equity guy कि भैया हमने ऐसे सोचा था, but अभी market has changed. Let's say COVID, for example, COVID has really changed the world upside down. So for example, we made investments in 2006 and 2008 crisis जब हुआ, all our business models went topsy-turvy. तो अभी क्या करना है? So of course, we had to trust the Indian promoter, trust their judgment, and we collectively reworked the business models. But then there are a lot of PE funds who insisted, no, we still want the same growth. And a lot of Indian promoters who said, no, I want to not do things my way. So I would say trying to establish that relationship is very important. And normally even, see, understanding the business and agreeing on a business plan, this doesn't take much time, as much as trying to understand the psyche of the promoter and understanding the psyche of the private equity fund. And almost all these deals, they happen over a glass of beer or they happen over dinner. So I used to spend a lot of time with my investee companies, promoters. I knew their families very well. Unka bacche ka birthday hai, unka family mein kuch hai, what are the likes, dislikes. So that relationship has to go at that level. So look at it as, I would say it's like a marriage. So this is very important. So it is not just a valuation game, it is a long-term relationship. So this control part is very important. That is what I would highlight. And like I said, of course, the expertise that comes in, that is there. Now, so don't look at this as interference. If you feel this is interference, if you feel that I cannot let go of control, then this is not for you. But at the same time, there is private equity available which can take you into a different league altogether. So all these guys, Flipkart promoters, Snapdeal promoters, they all were professional. They started their own businesses and see where they are right now. So that is what I would highlight at this. So this is, I would say, a very important slide. These are very soft issues. I'm not even getting into valuation kaise hota hai, equity kaise aati hai. Those things are procedural matters. There are lots of consultants who will help you do that. But you need to be convinced that there is potential in the business, and therefore I want to really raise private equity. And I will quickly take you through the process also. So typically private equity deals, generally there is always an advisor in between, because see, whenever शादी भी होती है तो एक पंडित जी का बीच में होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So उसी तरह से when you have a deal, it's always good to have an investment advisor. And my personal experience was most of my deals got done with advisors, and the successful deals got done by individual advisors, not by institutional advisors. And those individual advisors were really sharp. They understood both the sides, and they did not leave us after the deal was done. They remained with us throughout, because आगे भी बहुत सारे issues आते हैं. So it was always good to have an intermediary who would understand the psyche of both the sides and help resolve issues. So, but of course, deals can happen directly also. I mean, if you know some private equity partner very well, but it all starts with an information memorandum, which is more about the background of the company, the promoters, what's the business, and all those kind of things. Then are these preliminary meetings with promoters and management. This takes a lot of time. So, and both the sides, promoters should try and understand the private equity guys, and private equity guys do the same with the promoters. Generally, the private equity guys do due diligence on the promoters, but I think it should be the other way around also. So both should do due diligence on both the sides. कौन सा deal किया है? How much money did they put in? How did those deals unfold? What were the issues? So that due diligence, I think, is very important. And being a banker, I give a lot of weightage to this particular part here. So promoters, and also meeting with the management team. So the management team will also get involved in these discussions. Once this is agreed upon, then comes the part valuation. Now valuation, of course, valuation is a very subjective thing, to be very frank. It's a matter of market is bullish, आपको valuation ज़्यादा मिलेगा. Market is like the way it is right now, valuation कम मिलेगा. So I personally believe that rather than trying to extract too much of valuation, I think you should always give a lot of focus to how, like Anil sir very rightly said, 10 crore company ka 100% या 1000 crore company ka 50%. Yeah, so you need to evaluate the options in terms of how much of growth is possible. So in which case, maybe a little bit of valuation here and there is okay. Then comes in what is an indicative term sheet. Indicative term sheet typically captures the broad terms of the arrangement. So which means kitna paisa lagega, kya valuation pe lagega, how many people will be there on the board. The business plan is also agreed at this stage. And see, the business plan is, let's say for the next 1 month, monthly business plan hota hai, uske baad annual business plan hota hai, and every month they will want to understand ki business plan mein budgeted ye tha, hua kya. So which means there is a lot of groundwork that needs to be done. So of course, specific teams need to be built up to do this. So once indicative term sheet is signed, then there is a due diligence that happens. Now this can take a lot of time. Due diligence, in fact, when we did due diligence, you know, there are these consultants called forensic experts. So what they do is you give them your, so we would ask for the passport and the PAN number and those kind of things. And वो basis पे वो पूरा राम कहानी निकाल देते थे आपका. So that is amazing. I mean, you may believe that मैंने past में क्या किया है किसी को पता नहीं होगा, but these forensic guys find out everything. So in fact, even when the private equity fund hired me, they did the same due diligence on me. When we would invest into a company, we would do the same due diligence about the promoters. And some of my investee companies did the same due diligence about us also. So typically it's like not trusting everything that is said, but cross-checking. So due diligence is about the promoters. Then there is a secretarial due diligence. There is a legal due diligence. So a lot of these things then need to be set right. So this process does take time. And of course, it also involves a lot of expenses. You need to hire consultants and all. Agar ye sab ho jata hai, then of course there are these legal documents. And then the legal documents need to be signed. At this stage is where the board needs to be reconstituted, and then the conditions, whichever, agar kuch conditions dala hoga pre-compliance, those have to be completed, and then the money comes in. This is just the investment process. Iske baad monitoring process shuru hota hai. So iske baad actually then there is somebody who's sitting with you and you have to run the business together. So this is, you need to understand this process very well, and whether you have an appetite of going through all this, because this is a very time consuming process for both the sides. So, and you should also understand one thing. See, the private equity guy is investing somebody else's money. Like Anil sir said, private equity funds are third party money. Yeah. So the private equity partner is also answerable somewhere else. So therefore this process gets a little cumbersome. Now, having said that, I'll just show you some example here. So of course, the last 3 months have been really bad in terms of the valuations have all gone down and all. But just to give an example, see I've just taken a random example. So Policybazaar, for example, within a period of 10 years, you see the way their valuation has gone up. So simply because you see the business model is something which is a very scalable business model. So once you have really established the technology, the back end, from 26 crores, they went to some 6,000 crores. So it became a $1 billion company. So of course, things have changed after that. So just wanted to highlight this, and all the names on the bottom there, they're all private equity investors. So that is what I wanted to show. And I was telling about this Intellinet earlier, right? Blackstone invested. So see how they work out. $200 million lagaya, company को बेच दिया $540 million में. जिसको company बेचा, he couldn't run it, उससे वापस खरीदा, वापस उसको बेच दिया. So they are able to get you the contacts, get you the business, grow the business. So of course that depends on case to case, but there is a lot of value, and there is certainly merit in considering private equity. So I just thought I shared some examples based on my experience. And of course, I didn't share any specific instances with reference to the investments I made, because those were private at that time. But of course, if there are any queries and any separate discussions need to happen, I'll be happy to do that. But I will say, look at this as a means to grow your business, which comes with a lot of strings attached. Do you really want to, are you okay with those conditions? If you are, then it is worth getting into that. So with that, I don't know whether I've exceeded the time, but Anil sir, I will hand it back to you. And if there are questions, I really haven't checked the chat, but I will hand it back to you, and I'll be happy to take any questions.
Can I request you, sir? Sir, that slide on Policy Bazaar again, please.
Yeah.
I know the pulse of my students, so bas mere ko kali wo dikhana tha. And I'm also typing the last thing. I'm sure there are going to be a lot of questions, but before that, sir, can I request all of you all to please give your feedback about Mujib's session? It makes everybody happy. There it comes. Superb session, sir. Amazing class. Sir, dekhte raho, sir. Wow. Abhi dekhte raho, sir. Thank you for the knowledge.
Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. Very fantastic class. Very good. ये विरल अपना अच्छा बच्चा है, एकदम मस्त है. E-commerce, amazing session, superb session, excellent, great insight, great knowledge, wonderful. Thank you, sir. What a session, great insight. अच्छा है, अभी तक बोला नहीं the best. नहीं तो मेरा वाट लगेगा वापस. Superb, so insightful, superb session, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Superb session, sir. देखते रहो, sir. खत्म हो गया. Your experience speaks loud, and Hemanji is our senior. Loud, sir. Stupendous. Looking forward for more sessions. Awesome learning experience.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, सुनिए ना. Mazedar, amazing class. Great session. So I think this understanding is what you require. Yes. Thank you very much. Now I will start.
Thank you.
You are going to have questions.
Yep.
बड़े valuation game खेलने के लिए mindset रख रहता है. So before I request, sir, if you could just stop screen sharing. मेरे पास 3 slides हैं.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll just stop my screen. Yeah.
You take it on chat.
Yes, I have stopped my screen share. Yeah.
Sir, Hitesh sir, sorry. There is a question from a dear student, and he got me on Telegram, sir. तो मैं थोड़ा favoritism दिखाऊंगा. He wants you to show the process slide again.
Okay, I will do that.
बच्चे को मैं मना नहीं सकता, sir. He has saved me.
नहीं मैं बताता हूँ. Just hold on.
देख हितेन भाई, तेरे को मैं सबके सामने बोला फेवरेट है करके, बस highly relatable for non-finance students. Thank you.
Yeah, so
non-finance. Everybody is finance. Shanti Madam is also finance.
So you want this one or the process one? Process, yeah.
This one. बस sir. बच्चों को खुश कर दिया sir आपने. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
अच्छा, please understand sir, corporate world से है तो थोड़ा धीमा बोलेंगे, प्रोफेशनल रहेगा. मेरे जैसा नहीं कि आवाज करेंगे. मैं घर पे ही बोलता हूँ, अरे कुत्ता पीछे से निकल गया ना तो मैं तो पड़ जा सकते. हरीश सर ने आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया है सर.
Thank you हरीश.
Okay, चलिए हो गया. अभी मैं मेरा 3 स्लाइड दिखा के फिर we'll open up to questions.
Okay, so I'll stop my screen share there, yeah.
सर मजा आ गया सर. तो अभी मैं जरा ओपन करता हूँ मेरा स्लाइड्स. कृष्णा शेयर स्क्रीन ना भाई, जिसको चाहिए प्राइवेट इक्विटी, मैंने अपना काम कर दिया, अभी बाकी आपको करना है. हेलो, किसको क्या कन्विंस करना है मुझे पता नहीं, आप करो. So this is my dear colleague, and I love that statement. 2010 में नौकरी किया तो और मजा आ गया. And I'm like looking back, यार हम लोग तो रोते रहते हैं, right? No, seriously, that was an amazing statement, sir, and very absolutely. There is one thing I have not listened to, sir. Right? He keeps pushing me for walking, but okay, sir. I think I'll also get there now. So this model is very simple: invest and divest. So they will invest and divest. So those who are looking for listing, hello, you can consider private equity VC. Bikaji, RR Kabul, लेके आता हूँ बच्चों को, मेरे ही बच्चे, मैं लेके आऊँगा. Invest and divest. So they will like to get you on the main board also. कोई बच्चे हैं, आप लोग सोच रहे हैं, please look at it. I will like to stop here and take your questions. As always, it will be a pleasure. I'm going to, ma'am, nobody will speak. We will, don't mute anybody. Don't unmute anybody.
Okay.
The first question I will not take from Harish sir because he will ask a very specific question and I love him. what kind of process should we incorporate at the start of a new business if you want to be? Sir, आप मत पढ़िए. I'm your executive assistant. आप आराम से बैठिए sir.
Okay.
What kind of process should we incorporate at the start of a new business if you want to be PE ready for the future? Vaibhav, love you. Perfect.
Okay, that's a very nice question. See, it is like this. Whenever you start a business, try to follow the rules, the processes, which means you're incorporating a company. आपका board meeting कैसे हो रहा है? Do you really have a process in place? So what happens is normally in a startup, there is so much of a focus on maybe cash flows, business को बढ़ाना है, sales है, that people forget that there is somebody who needs to take care of your processes. And what happens is when you really have established a business to a certain level, and then to go and set those processes is very difficult. So all that I will say is your compliance has to be good. And this is not difficult. All that you need to do is you need to hire a secretarial or a compliance person. These also services are outsourced, who will take care of all your board meetings, take care of all your secretarial documents and all that need to be there. So please ensure that you're in compliance with regulations. That is very important.
So normally sir क्या बोलते हैं? Be in compliance. Normally हम लोग the way we do it is we tell our tax बंदे अपना CA को बोलते हैं इतना tax भरना है. He prepares the profit and loss statement. वो नहीं.
Yeah.
Simple है. सर चलेगा वो?
When is the right time to get
सर सुनिए ना.
हाँ बोलिए.
अगर मैं CA को बोलूँ इतना tax भरना है और फिर P&L बनेगा चलेगा क्या?
See, promoter को चलेगा. Correct. So in fact, I'll tell you, I faced an instance where there was an agri business. Okay, this guy used to make mutter, and what he told me was, ये मेरा paper, he showed me the annual report. तो मैंने बोला annual report में तो आपका turnover इतना ही है. He said नहीं sir, मेरा actual turnover इतना है. But I said इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? When you are now talking about raising private equity, आपका paper पे जो है वही है. तो अगर आपने इतने साल से उसको पेपर पे नहीं लिया है, you will have to now go by what is there on paper. So you have to decide that do I want to like I will use the word which Anil sir used, चिंदी चोर जो आपने बोला कि आपको थोड़ा सा पैसा वहां से निकालना है कि वैल्यूएशन में आपको पैसा लेना है. So that's your personal call, but all that is there on paper is what it is.
Okay, sir आप मत पढ़िए sir. मैं आपको help करूंगा. What is the right time to get a PE on board?
Okay, what is the right time to get PE on board? So like I said earlier, see, you have to very clearly decide, does your business have growth potential? And please understand, if it is a traditional growth rate, so what I mean is like an FMCG kind of a business, FMCG business में इतना tremendous growth नहीं हो सकता है, because that business itself is which can be financing itself either through its own cash flows or through bank financing. You should be taking private equity when you believe your business model is something कि अगर मेरे पास इतना पैसा है तो I can just scale up, तब आप उसको ले लो. So you should not have a mindset कि मुझे private equity लेना है. Your first question should be मेरा business क्या है, मेरे business में कितना potential है. Then private equity is only an enabler. Always have this in mind. It should not be the other way around. कि private ऐसा भी होता है, you know, private equity guys will be after you. अरे पैसा ले लो मैं दे रहा हूँ. Then the people start thinking, यार वो पैसा दे रहा है तो मैं भी क्या करूँ उसका. That is a wrong way. You are heading for trouble if you ever do that.
Private equity is an enabler. Golden statement. Okay, private equity is an enabler. तो ये हो गया. Sir, can you throw some light on the exit process of private equity? Ashish Maheshwari ji.
Yes, that again is very important. So see, let's understand one thing. The private equity guy has raised money from somewhere else. उसको वो पैसा कहीं लौटाना है. Correct? So there is a time frame. Generally, private equity funds have a life of anywhere between 7 to 10 years. Which and the first 2-3 years are the investment time, which means within a period of 5 to 7 years, उनको अपना पैसा वापस चाहिए है. So if for whatever reason, अगर वो exit नहीं ले सकते हैं, so they will be in trouble, right? With this in mind, please understand that right up front, the private equity guy will negotiate with you कि based on this business plan, 5 से 7 साल में IPO होगा. IPO अगर नहीं होता है, तो कोई और मेरा शेयर खरीद लेगा. Which means, let's assume that there is a business and I want to sell out. IPO नहीं हो रहा है. So, for example, in the current environment, the Burger King का IPO होने वाला था. It's a private equity, the Indian franchisee of Burger King. अभी with the current market, वो सब डिले हो गया है. Now, if the private equity guy says कि मुझे तो exit चाहिए, वो किसी और को बेच सकता है. वो आपके competitor को भी बेच सकता है. और ये सारे conditions उसने पहले document में लिखे हैं. And in fact, we used to negotiate a lot on this. And I'll give you a very simple example. ये कैसे होता है? ओके, आप आईपीओ करो, आईपीओ नहीं हो रहा है, मैं कोई और बायर लेके आता हूं, वो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, मैं आपके कॉम्पिटिटर को बेचूंगा, वो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता, तो आप मुझे खरीद लो ना, इधर आप मुझे खरीद लो या मैं आपको खरीद लूंगा. So this is what is all discussed upfront. So please be aware that 5 से 7 साल में प्राइवेट इक्विटी को एग्जिट चाहिए in any of these options.
So option, thank you, sir. Option number 1, buyback by promoters. Option number 2, strategic sale to other investors. Option number 3, listing on a stock exchange.
Listing
Simple.
on a stock
ये
exchange.
1, 2, 3,
Correct.
right?
Absolutely.
और इसमें एक चीज बोलता हूँ, मुझे जी ने बताया था, लेकिन आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ. There are 2 clauses, which is known as drag along. That means if they मतलब अपना ही है, मुझे जी अपना ही है. If investors are exiting, drag along. They may drag you along if the condition says that is compulsory on the promoters. Tag along is promoters say ठीक है आप जा रहे हैं ना, मैं थोड़ा मेरा stake भी दे देता हूँ. Drag along, tag along. Okay, वापस बोल रहा हूँ quickly. Right, very good task again. Right, buyback by promoters, strategic sale to other investors. Third, listing. IPO stands for initial public offer. All my students know it, but this is going beyond my class. So, very good question from Abhishek. Is it necessary to be asset light, right? In case of hospitality business for raising PE, asset light.
Okay, so one, it is not necessary, but having said that, see, any investor is looking at a return on equity. Return on equity will be high only when your investment is less. So if you can come up with a business model where you are managing some assets rather than owning them, of course, a PE will like that. Scalability and returns will be higher there.
Asset light models, shared economies, padhiye. It is also called as gig economies, shared economies. Please note, आप कुछ भी बोलो, family managed business, we make fun. But even today, OYO has higher valuation than Indian hotels. Why? Scalability, right? I'm not saying you go that way. I'm just telling you what an investor looks like, scalability. Sir, very nice question, which only you can answer. I can't take that. Hello, sir, a promoter can be a CEO on board. Can a promoter be a CEO on board while having PE investors?
In fact, a promoter will always be the CEO. See, the PE investor will always, they will never take an operational role. And let me also clarify this. They will not allow you to go out also. Because the logic is the PE has come in because you are there, right? So आपको ही CEO बनना है. And if there is a succession plan or if there is a family, whose responsibility, कौन क्या करेगा, ये सब बहुत clear. In fact, I remember we invested in one business where there were 3 brothers. Upfront, very clear, कौन क्या करेगा, किसका क्या roles and responsibilities है, that's very clear. So yes, CEO has to be the promoter only.
Wonderful question, sir. One more question from Ashish ji. What kind of return can they look forward to?
Okay, so see, one is what is the expected return. So जब private equity investor पैसा लगाता है, based on a business model and based on the returns that they model on returns anywhere between 25 to 30%. मिलता कितना है is a different thing. See, on an average, अगर 10 deals private equity वाले ने किया है, 10 deals में से 4-5 तो fail हो जाते हैं. 3-4 है जो let's say 15-20% का return, 1 या 2 blockbuster होता है. This I'm talking from the private equity perspective. तो आगे क्या होगा we don't know. But when they are investing, they are targeting 25 to 30. If they believe इस business में इतना पैसा नहीं बनता है, they will not invest.
25 to 30% expected returns, not guaranteed returns, expected returns. Sir, my very good kid, Akshay, is asking a question. Would you invest in a technology business idea with good potential, but promoter is not technical?
Okay. Again, see, the promoter should have a vision. The promoter should have an ability to manage the business. The promoter need not have any skills herself. So we always look at, see, promoter में एक gut feel होनी चाहिए, decision making ability होनी चाहिए. That is more important. So yes, technology, you can always hire technology people. You don't need to be a technocrat yourself. So some of the best people I have met, I mean, Dhirubhai Ambani was working in a petrol pump, right? उन्होंने इतना बड़ा business empire खड़ा किया. So yes, you don't need to be a technocrat yourself, but you need to have a business acumen. That's very important.
So इसमें मैं एक जोक बोलता हूँ. डॉक्टर श्रीकांत के पास एक कंप्लेंट आया था फैकल्टी रूम में. सर आप भी सुनिए. So in lot of complaints were coming against family managed businesses. तो ये बच्चे rich brats, क्या क्या सुना है बच्चों के बारे में? They come in big cars, right? They are indisciplined. तो डॉक्टर श्रीकांत ने एक ही बोला, 2-3 बच्चों का नाम निकला, बोला please ensure that they have good managers.
Yeah.
वो बच्चों को जो करना है करने दीजिए. They have good managers. That's it. Sir, wonderful question, sir. इसका आप ही आंसर कर सकते हैं. हरीश सर का क्वेश्चन है, मतलब आप ही कर सकते हो. बाप रे हिल गया मैं सुन के भी. How much risk premium over listed vintage company would PE investors expect typically? तो बच्चे लोग ध्यान से सुनो, दो गुरु लोग बात कर रहे हैं, हम लोग सुनने क्या कर. How much risk premium over listed vintage company would PE investors expect typically?
Okay, so Harish, to answer that, first is I'll answer a little simply and then I'll tell you a little more complicated version of that. So typically, if you look at historical returns, let's say from the Indian stock markets, and again, returns in rupee terms, one would target about, let's say, a 15% kind of a return. If I'm private equity, I will target anywhere between 20 to 25% depending on that deal. So I'm looking at a 5 to 10% premium, and I'm talking all rupee terms, okay? But please understand, most of the PE investors actually have raised money in dollars. तो उनको return dollars में दिखाना पड़ता है. So which means they also have to budget for a 7 to 8% of a rupee depreciation. So I remember when we used to, so every month, my PE team, which was sitting in our corporate office in Minneapolis, वो हर एक country के लिए एक risk premium देता था. So India के लिए the risk, India, Argentina, India, Latin America and China had a risk premium of 18%, which included the risk premium because of the country and also because of the currency. So yes, we are talking about risk premiums anywhere between 18 to 20%.
Risk premium class means how much more? Premium is more for the risk. Sir,
More for that.
Professor, I तो बीच में बोलूँगा. Premium is more for the risk.
More
Sir,
for the
wonderful
risk.
question, sir. Right, ये answer आप ही दे सकते हो because I can't get there anytime. If we want to diversify our finances, मैं उस बात पे बात करना, but एक loan चाहिए. Sir, what if we want to diversify our finances and invest, maybe as angel investor? Can you suggest?
Absolutely, that is a good thing. So, in fact, I talked earlier about Mumbai Angels, right? So there is Mumbai Angels, India Angels, Hyderabad Angels. These are nothing but they are loose networks of people. So what they do is there is a team of 4-5 people. उनके पास बहुत सारे proposals आते हैं. And if I am a member of Mumbai Angels, let's say, they will showcase that deal to me. और उसमें से जिसको पसंद आएगा वो अपना पैसा लगाए. So this is individual money that people put in. So yes, I personally believe that this can be a great investment option. So see, because all your risk, all your money is there in your business, right? थोड़ा सा आप कहीं और लगा दो, and especially as seed investing or angel investing, I think that's a good option.
So इसपे बीच में गणेश साहब ने लिखा था Shark Tanks notings पे. So that's again where you have individuals investing. Sir, a wonderful question, and the last one for now. What happens when globally there is a recession or slowdown, and a PE firm has already invested in the company, and there is no growth due to COVID, etc. Vardha Jain.
Okay, so here you need to understand one thing. See, the way the promoter has not given any guarantee to the P fund, the P fund also has not given any guarantee to its investors. Correct? So if something like the 2008 crisis or if something like COVID happens, so there are P funds which blow up. Blow up means they just wind up. That's there. So to give you an example, the hedge fund I used to work for, till 2008, we were doing very well. So hamara returns in dollar terms, so dollar terms was 21%, 23%, 24%. 2008, it was minus 15%. So this is the risk which that investor has taken. So yes, they typically even sell it at distress. So like 100 crore लगाया, वो promoter कोई 50 crore में 20 crore में बेच के चले जाएंगे, loss ले लेंगे वो लोग. So when the time horizon is over, so let's assume the investment horizon is 10 years. 10 years में मुझे पैसा मेरा वापस करना है, जो भी मिलेगा वापस. तो मैंने 100 लगाया, मुझे उसका खाली 50 मिल रहा है, ठीक है. So the Indian promoter, I'll tell them to buy me out at a discount, whatever price. So yes, the investors take the hit there.
So इसमें एक साहब ने एक बच्चे बताया था, another colleague, they will never throw good money after bad money. So once they, sir, बोलिए.
Yeah. In fact, see, let's understand. If you look at the mindset of these global investors, you know, if the amounts that they're talking about are huge. So you're talking about $1 billion. $1 billion में से मैंने developed markets में इतना लगाया, ये country में इतना लगाया, India के लिए मेरा share इतना कम है. They don't even have time to think about इसका क्या करना है. So if I'm telling them कि बस India में problem है, ये से इसको write off कर दो, चलो. Write off कर दो मतलब जितने भी पैसे में बेच सकते हो बेच दो और निकल जाओ. So yes, so that is the kind of mindset that they will have.
Thank you, sir. Harish sir has thanked you personally. आप लोग सर बोलते हैं, सर ये मस्ती कर रहा है, आपको सर बोला, अभी आप लोग संभाल लो एक दूसरे को. my last slides. Today has been a great day for me. I'm going to finish in the next 2-3 minutes. I'm not going to hold you all back. So here we were. Great day for me personally for only one thing. I believe the next action is in tier 2, tier 3 cities. I'm very clear about that. And for that, I have now, for the first time in my 50 years, I've given an interview in Hindi, right? And I'm very happy because till now it was only Economic Times and Financial Express. So all of you all, some of you are from tier 2, tier 3 cities. You should please watch this entire series is to ensure that you also know what is happening. And that's where Zoom really helps. Zoom really helps, right? Yes, sponsorship invited. Mujib ji, please आइए sir. I'm winding up, right? आपका चेहरा देखना जरूरी है.
Yes, I'm there.
Right. So sponsorship invited for collective hunger movement. Please make a difference. We all are appealing to you all, right? Yeah. So there's something which is very important. I keep saying that आप लोग कोई call करते हो तो कभी WhatsApp करते हो तो मैं last time देखते हैं कि I'm getting tired. So I wanted to send a message कि आप WhatsApp मत करो. तो एक बच्चे ने मेरे को ऐसा लिख दिया, सर सुनिए ना सर मेरा बच्चा कैसा है. तो मैंने बच्चे को लिखा कि बेटे आजकल थक जाता हो. तो वो बच्चे ने प्लीज, तो बच्चा लिखता है सर डेफिनेटली आई एम वेरी सॉरी यू आर टायर्ड, आई होप यू टेक इन अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेश फ्रूट्स एंड स्टे हेल्दी इन दिस वेदर. और फिर वापस व्हाट्सएप चल, सर इसका ये क्वेश्चन बताओ, वो आंसर बताओ. भाई मैं फ्रेश फ्रूट्स भी लेता हूँ, मैं वॉकिंग भी कर रहा हूँ, फिर भी थकता हूँ. इसका सोल्यूशन है टेलीग्राम मेनन मंत्रा. उधर आइए, 800 जन आ गए हैं. मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग एक दूसरे को एक दूसरे को आंसर बोलते रहिए. आई विल ओनली फैसिलिटेट अ डिस्कशन. थोड़ा थक रहा हूँ बेटे प्लीज. और साहब को देखिए मेरे से, आई बिलीव यंग एल्डर टू मी, ही इज लुकिंग 10 years यंगर टू मी. देखो थोड़ा आप समझिए, राइट? अभी ये बस हो गया. मेनन मंत्रास टेलीग्राम इज बेटर. यहाँ पे मैं आई कीप अपलोडिंग द गाइडलाइंस. आज मजा आ गया, आज एकदम मजा आ गया क्योंकि कंप्लीटली राइट we have changed the track. बस एक लास्ट बोलना है because something happened which has hurt all of us, right? So I don't want to talk about it. So please note that, be kind, yeah. That's it. So we lost somebody again. We never realized he was going through a very bad patch, right? We all know we are talking about somebody who came with a movie advising young kids not to commit suicide, and then he gave up. And I think he was a brilliant actor. With this, I request all of you all to please be kind. Thank you, Mujib ji. Thank you, Mujib.
Thank you. Hi, thank you.
Colleagues, some of you all were looking for Delhi-based colleagues. I don't know if sir will accept. मुझे पता नहीं, but I gave an audience to sir, and thank you very much, sir. I'll
thank you.
For 10-15 minutes. Sir, yeah. Last words, बच्चों को please बोलिए, sir.
Well, all that I will say is, life is short. Make the most of it. Live life, enjoy life. And yeah, I think you have to have all aspects of life, right? So don't work too much, don't focus too much on finance. There are so many things to do in life. So I think have a well diversified life and make the most of it. जो आज है वही तुम्हारा है, बस कल किसने देखा है. So just so all the best to everybody. Thank you.
वो लास्ट का फटका मेरे को दिया है, तो समझ गया हो सर. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I'll leave. Thank
Those
you.
who want to have dinner, please leave. I'll still have to take some questions.
Thank you.
Thank you, Harish sir, for getting me. Mujib sir, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, so now I'll go on to chat. All of you, those who want to have dinner, you can please leave. I'll be around to take questions. I think there'll be few questions now, thanks to Hitenji on Telegram. But I'll still wait for some time. तो मैं 5 मिनट रुकता हूँ, पानी भी नहीं पीता हूँ. वैसे भी आप लोग पानी पिलाते हो आजकल मुझे, right? Those who want to have dinner, please leave. Then I will have a conversation with my kids. Okay, ma'am. I think now that many kids have exited. Okay, we'll wait for some more time. Chalo.
Okay.
Yeah. Questions है तो पूछ लीजिए. Ma'am, now we can unmute because most of the people have left for dinner, so which is good.
Okay.
Now, if they want to ask, let them ask.
Okay. So I guess they can raise their hands. I can unmute them. Okay. Mr. Mo,
There'll be few
muting you.
questions. हाँ मोहित बोल रहे.
सर बिजनेस क्वेश्चन पूछो कि टॉपिक रिलेटेड पूछो, दोनों में ही क्वेश्चन है.
चलेगा चलेगा, अभी आपका ही टाइम है रे. कुछ
Firstly, regarding the topic, sir, I wanted to ask about angel investors. So let's say if I have a startup idea, so coming from a family business background, we do not know anything about how startups work. How do they come into existence, and how do they build their business, get the professional management. So as a family business owner, if I have a startup idea which I have, और मुझे उस चीज में अगर समझ लो कुछ शुरुआत करनी है, तो इन्वेस्टर कैसे ढूंढना और उसको कैसे कंपनी बनाना, how do we go about it?
It's amazing that even now there are about 80 odd people, right? 90 odd people staying in, because I had said most of you all can leave, which is very good, right? मोहित बेटे, इसमें पहला तो fallacy है कि family managed business नहीं कर सकते. In fact, I'll put it the other way around. मुझे लगता है this entire revolution, family managed businesses, मोहित बेटे mute करना. This entire family managed businesses have not muted. All of you all, those who are staying back, this is for you. Okay? ये गलत हुआ है. Actually, ये सब revolution हुआ है IIT, IIMs में, and family managed business somewhere has lost out. So if you ask me personally, बेटे आपको simple question पूछ रहा हूँ, I would rather go with a Viral Jain, whose family is into business and who is young and dynamic, or an Akshay Kalyanpur, or a Saurabh Agarwal, because he comes from a family business, he knows the business, or a Mohit Singhania. He comes from a business background, he's a new gen guy. So first of all, family managed business का startup में invest नहीं करेगा, गलत है. उल्टा ज़्यादा experience. Krishna Rana, my kid, who attends once in a while. अभी आप भी देख सकते हैं सुमित काबरा. तो ये गलत सोच है. Second, once you have an idea, I'm sure you will attract capital. कहाँ पे जाना है? मैं आपको थोड़ा वेबसाइट देता हूँ. लीड एंजल्स है, मुंबई में ही है, और लोकल मुंबई एंजल्स है. मुझे पता नहीं आप कहाँ से हो. आप हैदराबाद से है तो हैदराबाद एंजल्स है. So first thing first, before even you go to this angels, you should invest your own capital. खुद का पैसा आपको डालना है. वो बहुत क्रिटिकल है इस पे. It can't be like मेरा आइडिया है, चल भाई तू फाइनेंस कर. नहीं कर सकेंगे. They will come back and they will say, what is your skin in the game? साहब ने मस्त बोला, skin in the game. वो politely फटका देके गया आपको. बोला कि भाई तुम लोग का क्या है इसमें? So skin in the game. तो मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है, स्टार्टअप करो, थोड़ा आपका पैसा डालो. कल भी एक बच्चे से बात कर रहा था, मस्त बच्चा है. I will introduce them. वो sponsorship लिया है, right? 40 days after giving birth to the child, they are doing something. तो अभी आपको क्या देखना है? Unique. Either you go into a niche area, बच्चे, invest your own capital, then go to them for growth capital. Simple. And where to look out for? पहला तो खुद का पैसा, फिर then go to angel investors. Third, go to this PE and VCs, somebody like Mujib ji, and you could see they are as human as I am. So answer this question one line. FMBs should encash this, but उसके लिए एक mindset change है. Mohit, have I answered your question, son?
Yes, sir, very well, sir. And I had another business question also, if you don't mind me asking. This was regarding of the banking matters that are being discussed in our Many Mantras Telegram group.
Banking पे यार, तुम लोगों को किधर तक ये डॉग का टेल जैसा है. तुम लोग कितना भी वैसी ना करे, वैसे ही टेढ़ा हो जाता है. चल बोल.
Sorry, sir. जैसा अपनी आरबीएल बैंक के बारे में आपसे मेरी काफी बात हुई है, मैंने उनको बैंकिंग ओम्बड्समैन का ईमेल भी डाल दिया.
बाद में रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. लास्ट में आप फिर वो कट करके मैं फेंक सकता है, बीच में मत बोल.
ओके. बेसिकली मैंने बैंक को ओम्बड्समैन का भी लेटर लिखा है, ईमेल किया है कि आई विल टेक यू टू ओम्बड्समैन. तो अभी भी उनका कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया है. फ्राइडे को भेजा था, आज का दिन मैंने पूरा दिन वेट किया.
वी आर नॉट नेमिंग एनी बैंक. गनी डोंट कम आफ्टर मी. तो आपको एक ही विल बी देयर टिल द एंड, वेरी सिंसियर गाय. तो इसको आपको क्या करना है, लोकल एमएसएमई एसोसिएशन के पास जाना है. ये संडे का जो क्लास हुआ उनका बहुत अच्छा लगा. यू गो टू योर लोकल एमएसएमई एसोसिएशन, वहां पे दमबाड़ी करके उनको राइट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल बैंकिंग कमेटी के उधर लेके जाओ. सिंपल. आई एम नॉट नेमिंग एनी बैंक, न्यू जनरेशन प्राइवेट बैंक. तो आप उल्टा भी पकड़ो. अभी बैंकिंग ओम्बड्समैन नहीं हो रहा है ना, गो टू योर लोकल एमएसएमई. अभी वो लोग बहुत एक्टिव हो गया, राइट? एंड गो एंड अटैक देम. अटैक मतलब गो एंड गेट देम ऑन द नेगोशिएटिंग टेबल. सिंपल.
ओके.
बट जेन्युइन केस है ना आपका?
हाँ जी सर.
बस फिर नथिंग टू वरी. खुश?
Okay, yes sir, thank you. This is the only time I get to talk to you. 1-to-1.
अच्छा. नहीं, अभी मैं ज्यादा फ्लूइड्स पी के और भी बात करूंगा. डोंट वरी.
Thank you sir, thank you.
Pleasure. Next person.
हेलो सर, दिस इज नरेश.
हाय. अरे ये तो मेरा सही है, स्टूडेंट नहीं है यार, एकदम हम लोग फैन है एक दूसरे के. बोलिए ना सर.
हेलो सर, आई हैव ए एग्जांपल. Example in the sense, it's my personal experience. So
Huh.
I have a product of nature where the life cycle of the products are like ranging from 5 years, 10 years, 12 years. There are some products which has a life cycle of 50 years. So I have so if the life cycle of the product is, let us say, somewhere around 5 to 12 years, and why I am telling the life cycle of this product is 5 to 12 years is because maybe I have to compare with an example like a telephone industry. The landline telephone industry is no more relevant now. So something like that. So I want to compare something like that. So second reason why I am telling the product life cycle could be 5 to 12 years because I spend a lot of money to prepare a product, but companies like Google and Facebook comes and gives it for free to the customer. So this is also kind of uncertainty. So in this area, so how to get? We also try to get the I'd say like angel investors or maybe kind of.
Nareshji, I got your question. So there are two business models, and my colleague, this is a gentleman from Bangalore. He's a senior person, not our student. Nareshji, there are two business models. One is build to run. Second is build to sell. So build to run basically means what? Right? All my kids here, Mohit, Saurabh, XYZ, ABC, sab mere bacche, right? Hitenji, all of them do what is known as build to run. Build to run means basically they will start it, they will run it, they will pass it on. Now Hitenji will pass it on to his daughters, so on and so forth. Right? He got it from his father. So now there's another business model. That business model is called as build to sell. So if you can get into a white space area and you can build a good business model, you can, right, before Google comes and offers it for free, right, try and sell it to them. Simple answer. A lot of kids have been doing that. So when I went to IIT Mumbai, I asked a simple question. I said, how many of you all would like to have Reliance as your competitor? Everybody put their hand down. And there was this one Maninder Singh who kept his hand up. I said, boss, why are you keeping your hand up? Reliance will kill you. Not Reliance. Mukesh Ambani will kill you. He said, nothing can kill me. I will start, grow to a particular level. I still remember his words. I'll start, grow to a particular level, sell it to Reliance. End of the matter. Welcome to a model which is called as build to sell.
Thank you, sir. I think it's excellent answer.
Pleasure always, sir. Please keep attending. Avinash ji. Avinash bete kuch bolna hai. Naresh ji asked a brilliant.
Hello, sir.
एक बेटा बेटे, I want to compliment him. Naresh ji asked a brilliant question. वो आंसर आप नोट कर लीजिए. Okay, build to run, build to sell. आप बोल रहे हैं अविनाश बेटे?
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली मैं एक स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ एंड डेफिनेटली आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग माय
राइमिंग बोल रहा है क्या? जैक एंड जिल वेंट अप स्किल, राइट?
हाँ
स्टार्टअप
सर,
स्टार्ट करने वाला, ठीक है, मजा कर रहा है, चल बोल.
हाँ, सो एनीवे आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग माय मनी इन इट एंड आई एम डूइंग इट विद वन ऑफ माय एक्स कलीग एंड
क्या आप?
सॉरी,
आर यू फ्रॉम एसपीजे?
नो सर.
अच्छा, सॉरी, ठीक है, सॉरी, देन आई शुड नॉट फूल अराउंड विद यू. सॉरी, बोलिए.
ओके,
सॉरी.
सो ओके सर. सो तो इन्वेस्टमेंट में मेरे फैमिली मनी को उसमें इन्वेस्ट करूं या जो मेरा एक्स कलीग है जो पार्टनर बनना चाहता है उसको इन्वेस्ट करूं या?
अविनाश जी सुनिए ना, क्वेश्चन का हाइट 25 साल हो गया सर, क्वेश्चन का आइडिया आ गया है. मैं लिसन लाइन सर, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हु इज ब्रिंगिंग इन व्हाट. अगर आप पैसा ले रहे हैं, आप चलाओगे, देन मे बी यू नीड मेजॉरिटी स्टेक. वो खाली पैसा डालेगा तो पैसिव इन्वेस्टर है. मुझे आपका डायनामिक्स में नहीं आना है. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन हु इज ब्रिंगिंग व्हाट टू द टेबल. Simple. आपके पास आइडिया है but you are desperate for capital, then he may ask you for majority stake. No, but you have money but you need somebody as a cushion, then you may give him minority stake. It all boils down to that.
Because he's like a sales, and from that perspective I will be from most of execution, and also I will be a major investor in that perspective.
Then obviously if he is going to get into execution and investment role, Avinash ji, the answer is very clear. He will get majority stake. Simple है ना sir? अभी ये सब question simple है. The other gentleman is in execution mode and he's also investing. So Avinash ji, obviously you'll have to be a minority stake. अबे how much minority वो आप लोग को देखना है. Simple.
Okay.
Sir, याद रखिए my golden line. Who is bringing what to the table? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who is bringing what to the table? मजा आया?
Yes, sir. Understood.
God bless you, sir. अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. मेरा दामोदर इंडस्ट्रीज वाला चैंपियन आ गया है. अभी बोलेगा मैं अभिषेक नहीं है, मैं कार्तिक है.
सर मैं अभिषेक हूँ आज तो.
चलो, कल तू कार्तिक था. कार्तिक कॉलिंग.
सर मैं कार्तिक नहीं था, कार्तिक मैं बन गया था.
सारा कार्तिक कॉलिंग कार्तिक. अभी बोल मेरा बच्चा, बोल.
Sir, does a public limited company get PE?
Yes.
If yes, what are the things to be considered, as I assume RIL is also doing the same?
बच्चे कुछ नहीं, वैल्यूएशन, दामोदर इंडस्ट्रीज कैन प्ले द वैल्यूएशन गेम। जो भी ये मेहुल को अप्लाई होता है आपको भी अप्लाई होगा, एंड इनफैक्ट आपके लिए बेटर होगा क्योंकि यू ऑलरेडी हैव सिस्टम्स एंड प्रोसेसेस, यू ऑलरेडी आर कंप्लाइंग विद लिस्टेड गाइडलाइंस, तो आपके लिए और इजी है। उसको बोलते हैं प्राइवेट डील्स इन पब्लिक मार्केट्स, लिख के ले, PIP, प्राइवेट, राइट, प्राइवेट इन्वेस्टमेंट इन पब्लिक इक्विटी। तो कर सकते हैं आप, वो लोग लेके आएंगे उसको, हम लोग बोलते हैं प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट, यू कैन डू इट। अभी तू बोलेगा सर माइंडसेट चेंज करना है, वो तू देख, मेरे को नहीं मालूम।
अच्छा दूसरा भी क्वेश्चन है,
सुनना रे अभिषेक, अभी इतना लिस्टेड है आप लोग, तो आपको माइंडसेट चेंज तो ऑलरेडी हो गया है आपकी फैमिली में। इफ यू आर ए लिस्टेड कंपनी बॉस, यू ऑलरेडी, योर माइंडसेट इज वेरी गुड, तो इजी है इनको प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट को लाना।
सर ऑल्सो कैन अ लिस्टेड कंपनी क्रिएट अ सब्सिडरी कंपनी एंड गेट PE टू इन्वेस्ट इन दैट?
मेरे को लगा है आप पूछोगे, कर सकते हैं। You are subsidiary, you can register and start up and get a VC or PE, and it will definitely fly, my son, because एक तो दामोदर इंडस्ट्रीज का बैकिंग, सेकंड बियानी, क्या ये बियानी ब्रदर्स, आजकल नाम थोड़ा खराब है फ्यूचर ग्रुप के कारण, बट अब वापस आएगा जब ये आप लोग को मिलेगा। तो बियानी ब्रदर्स सेकंड बॉस, राइट, कमिंग फ्रॉम ए लिस्टेड कंपनी, इट विल फ्लाई, इट विल डेफिनेटली फ्लाई। खुद का थोड़ा पैसा डालना दामोदर इंडस्ट्रीज के थ्रू, इट विल फ्लाई सन।
मतलब मैं वही बोला कि if that subsidiary has Damodar as a sole funding in the start and then
मजा आएगा, अरे मजा आएगा राजा, मजा आएगा।
डन सर,
थैंक्स, तू अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है। कार्तिक को हेलो बोल, अभी कौन है कार्तिक?
सर मैं नहीं जानता उसको।
ठीक है, चल मेहुल बोल रहे, क्या चिकना दिख बच्चा मेरा।
गुड इवनिंग सर, थैंक यू फॉर सच एन अमेजिंग सेशन सर।
थैंक यू बच्चे।
सर अब जैसे, हाँ जी सर बताइए। सर जैसे अभी हम एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग की बात कर रहे थे,
बात बोल मेरे को, राइट, एंजल इन्वेस्टर मतलब समझा ना, इंडिविजुअल्स है वो, समझा ना?
बिल्कुल सर। तो सर जैसे अपने मीडिएटर्स PE में होते हैं, तो ऐसे मीडिएटर्स एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग में भी हो सकते हैं?
इन्वेस्टमेंट कंसल्टेंट्स है, मेरे काफी फ्रेंड्स हैं जो ये काम करते हैं।
तो जैसे
आपका फॉर एग्जांपल आपने मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे डाला, आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है किसी में, तो मैं नहीं करता है काम, they will take you to these guys। अभी अभिषेक को पैसा चाहिए, आपके पास पैसा है, दोनों को मिला के वो लोग अपना फीस ले लेते हैं, फीस कमीशन जो बोलो फीस, लेकिन दोनों साइड को मिला के वो लोग प्रोजेक्शन भी बढ़ाते हैं। इट इज नॉट लाइक बेच के जाता है, राइट। उन्होंने बोला ना मस्त इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइजर, दे विल बी देयर टू टिल द एंड।
तो ये मुझे जी जो सर थे, ये भी है बीच में इन्वेस्टर एडवाइजर?
अरे
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू सो मच,
गॉड ब्लेस यू। श्रेयस जल्दी बोल रहे, श्रेयस बच्चे, anybody else?
No one else.
Okay ma'am, I'll just check in the chat if anybody wants to ask anything. It's been an amazing session.
Okay.
Thank you Mujib ji, thanks to the investment guru Kharish ji, उन्होंने पहचान करा के दिया। कुछ है तो chat पे डाल दिया। I will stop this. Thank you so much sir. Okay, thank you. चलो फिर, thank you sir, thank you, God bless you। एक मिनट सर, what was the slide showing? साहब मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में बताऊंगा रे यश, मैनेजमेंट प्रिंसिपल्स है, मैं बताता हूँ नेक्स्ट क्लास में, बताता हूँ, पक्का बताता हूँ। थैंक यू हरीश जी, थैंक यू बेटे, थैंक्स हर्ष।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
हाँ बोलना रे।
सौरभ here sir, good evening, thank you for the amazing session sir. Sir, if we create a model where we have multiple companies and create a holding company and put all subsidiaries companies below it, so does that model reduce the valuation of the holding company?
होल्डिंग कंपनी का वैल्यूएशन हमेशा कम रहता है।
Okay.
होल्डिंग कंपनी का वैल्यूएशन हमेशा कम रहता है। देखना बॉम्बे डाइंग का होल्डिंग कंपनी का वैल्यूएशन कम है, होल्डिंग कंपनी का, बजाज का भी होल्डिंग कंपनी का वैल्यूएशन कम रहता है। फॉर सम रीजन मार्केट से तो खाली शेयर्स होल्ड कर रहा है। तो अभिषेक ने जो बोला मैं सब्सिडरी में लेके आएगा ना, वो सब्सिडरी में वैल्यूएशन आता है, होल्डिंग कंपनी में कभी नहीं आता है।
Okay, thank you sir.
एनी टाइम बच्चे। एनीबॉडी एल्स? श्रेयस आके जा रहा है बीच में। अमोल जी थैंक यू यार। नाथ फ्रॉम गोवा थैंक यू यार। टेलीग्राम इज ऑल थैंक्स टू हितेन जी एंड अदर्स। चलो मैं वो एक स्लाइड रह गया, वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में दिखाता हूँ। वेडनेसडे इज आवर एग्रीप्रेन्योर, मजा आएगा आपको, मैं आपको कभी प्रॉमिस कर दिया था, फ्राइडे से बोल रहा हूँ। यू विल हैव फन एंड कैप्टन इज गोइंग टू रॉक, कैप्टन इज एब्सोल्युटली गोइंग टू रॉक, कैप्टन आदित्य। थैंक यू बच्चे, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस ईच वन ऑफ यू, स्टे सेफ, राइट। कोई और एक आ रहा है, अभी पता नहीं कौन है, 878 कुछ बोलना चाह रहे तो बोलिए, नाम रख के आई है ना बेटे, 878 क्या है ये? कैदी नंबर 211 वैसा आ रहा है ये तो। चलो, थैंक्स निखिल। मैडम, नमक निर्ता, thank you. And tomorrow Vinny will give you some good news. I promise. I know my kid. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. God bless. Vinayak, thank you bachche. God bless. Chalo. We meet on Wednesday for a session on agriculture. Sachet, thank you. You all stay towards the end, Hamesha. Thanks, yeah. Thanks, Raghav. God bless. Thanks, Nareshji. Thank you very much. This will be uploaded. Last session on Shreyan's loans have already gone on to Menon Mantras. Absolutely gaya. Okay, so you all can watch that. Chalo, thank you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, Pratik. Thank you, Bache. Thank you, Hitenji. Love to your daughters. Thank you. Thank you. चलो चालू हो गया। अभी हाउसिंग लोन लिया है किसी ने। ये लोग ना ऐसे ही करते हैं मेरे को। चलो बाय। थैंक यू।
Shall I end this session, sir?